What is up, everybody? It's your boy Young Fizz, aka Mr. Dope Status on Instagram, and welcome back to another video. So today we're gonna be talking about what machine should you buy. So you might be asking yourself, what machine should I buy? And that's gonna be the main topic for today's discussion. Which machine should I buy? So there's three machines that are currently available at the Native Instruments website. First one being the Maschine Micro, the second one being the Maschine Mark III, and then the last one is the Maschine Plus. So the Maschine Micro, let's go ahead and start there. The Maschine Micro is very small, very compact, so that's gonna make it easy for travel. You know, you have the touch strip, and it's all it is really just a MIDI controller. So if you are that person, maybe you're a finger drummer, maybe you're looking for something of a small form factor, then this is gonna be something for you. Even if you're just getting into Native Instruments and their ecosystem, you just wanna try out, you know, what the Maschine software is all about, then you're definitely gonna wanna pick up the Maschine Micro. That's gonna be the perfect one for you. Now, if you're looking for something to better enhance your workflow, then you're definitely gonna wanna look at the Maschine Mark III. This one has the nice, the 16 pads, it has the rotary encoder, it has the screens on there, and then also it has that built-in audio interface. So you're able to record something such as a guitar. So if you're looking for something really premium, it has the two screens, it has the built-in audio interface, it has that nice look to it, then you want to check in with the Maschine Plus. Now, the Maschine Plus has that same form factor as the Mark III, but like I said, the Maschine Plus is going to give you that premium look, it's going to give you that premium feel, and then again, it is completely standalone, so that means you can use it without your computer. Now, there's a caveat that comes with buying the Maschine Plus, right? So let's talk about that for a little bit. So if you are a complete owner, you have the whole complete, all their sounds, and we know those are tons of sounds. Unfortunately, there's some limitations when we try to put all those sounds on the Maschine Plus. So the Maschine Plus will still work like a MIDI controller, like an audio interface, such as the MK3, but again, if you want to use it with all those sounds, you're going to be limited to plug it in with the computer. So again, you can use it standalone, but you will have to use it with a computer if you want to take advantage of all the sound libraries that Native Instruments has. And so maybe you're that person that's like a live performer that wants to use it away from the computer, then the Maschine Plus is going to be for you. If you have an extra couple $100 to spend, then definitely take advantage of the Maschine Plus to get that premium look. But if you just want something as a nice form factor, the Maschine MK3 might be the one for you. As of right now, I still rock the Maschine Studio. I still love it. It still works great. It's still in excellent condition. Those can be found on eBay or Reverb. Maybe you can find one new laying around somewhere. And all the Maschine Studio is just a MIDI controller. So again, the Maschine Micro is a MIDI controller. And then you have the Maschine MK3, which is a step up. And then you have the Maschine Plus, which is that premium look and feel, standalone. You have to get the power bank for it, all that good stuff. So those are really the three options that you have. Or if you want to get something older like I have, which is a Maschine Studio, then you can look elsewhere. But I'm going to leave the links down in the description below. Take advantage of the cyber season sale. If I helped make your decision just a little bit more clear, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to turn on bell notifications. It's your boy Young Fizz. We will see you on the next video. Thank you for watching. We out.